Hello traders, my name is Grigor Horat and welcome to a new free video analysis in which I will take a look on the euro dollar, how I see it from an Elliott wave perspective, and also will explain and show you the basic structure of a flat correction, okay, which I think it's unfolding here on the euro dollar. So what is actually a flat? Flat, it's a corrective wave which typically occurs in the middle of a larger trend. It can occur in wave 2, it can occur in wave 4 or in wave B position, okay. So because on the euro dollar I can count 5 waves of decline here from this swing high. That's why I think that euro dollar is in bearish mode. So typically after 5 wave movement you will see a sideways price action. So despite some upward movement here in this leg and then move to the downside even to new swing low, and then now again move to the upside, I still see this as a sideways price action because actually euro dollar did not go far lately, okay. So from an Elliott wave perspective I see this as a flat placed in wave 2. This can be wave A, wave B and wave C. There are two very important characteristics why I think this is a correction. First one is because even if you expect that this would be a wave C or maybe wave 3, then you would definitely want to see that this leg would unfold much deeper here, okay. Typically if the market will make an ABC, let's say that this is A, this is B, and you will expect wave C down, then you would expect that wave C would fall very close based on distance compared to this wave 1, okay. This typically this clearly did not occur. As you can see, the market reversed to the upside much earlier, okay. This is the first thing, and the second thing why I think this decline is part of a correction is because it was made in 3 legs, okay. 3 legs are corrective pattern. In our case it represents part of a larger complex correction, okay. So I think it's a wave B, and I think that this impulse up represents wave C. So the flat has a structure. Let's say that market is falling, and then you see a sideways price action. Typically you will see 3 wave move for wave A, then you will see a 3 wave decline for wave B, and then you will tend to see an impulse up for wave C, okay, final leg of this trend before market will reverse to the downside. So as you can see here, this is called an expanded flat because wave B moved into a new extreme here. We have seen a break of this low, okay, and wave C moved into a new swing high, which means above the end point of wave A. Okay, so you see that this pattern is actually very tricky, especially from a psychological point of view, because a lot of traders, I guess, were shorting the euro dollar on this breakout point, but then market reversed to the upside. Then they probably are now trying to go long on this spike to the upside, which means above this swing high, but now market could reverse to the downside, okay. So this fits in very nicely. This pattern, expanded flat, fits very nicely in this current price action of the euro dollar, okay. So I label this as wave A, wave B, and now wave C up. Wave C already moved, as I said, above this swing high of wave A, so maybe this reversal to the downside could be in the cards, okay. Wave C should be structured by 5 legs. So if we take a look on the hourly chart, which I have it here, you can see that I can count 5 waves up: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So maybe euro dollar already completed this wave C. However, this is just an analysis. There's a big difference between trading and analysis. So if you want to take advantage of the trading, you want some more evidences, new proofs that you are on the right track with the wave count. In other words, I want to see reaction to the downside from current levels to confirm that this pattern is completed. So this reaction from current levels should then unfold impulsively, let's say back towards this 135,840. Yes, 840. So I would love to see an impulse back towards this level. If we get this impulse, then I think this would be a very nice opportunity to short this market against the wave C swing high. So I'm a little bit more patient trader. If you're aggressive, then maybe you will already be looking for shorts now, but you never know if your count is correct. If you don't wait on a confirming price action, you could see easily an extension to the upside. So critical level on this market, of course, remains here, because you know, if this is wave 2 or maybe even any other corrective leg, then this wave 2, or as I said, any other corrective leg must not retrace more than 100% compared to these 5 waves of decline. So this is critical in validation level. Okay, so I'm looking lower as long as the market is trading below this level, and I could be looking for shorts only if I see an impulsive decline to the downside. Then we'll be considering to go long dollar against this swing high on the euro dollar. Okay, traders, that's it for today. I'll catch you with new update and video analysis next week. Have a good weekend.